Welcome to Tranquility Mental Health Center's Telehealth Startup video. In this simple video, I will show you how to get into a room on all Apple devices. Your only requirements are a camera, a microphone, and to download the Doxy.me app. Step 1. Your clinician will tell you which room, either therapy or medication, to go to. You will click Patient and enter the room URL. Step 2. Next, type in your name so our clinicians can find you. Then make sure your face is positioned in the middle of the webcam and click Check In. After that, all you need to do is wait for our clinicians to bring you into the chat room. Once you are signed in to Telehealth, on the left of the screen it will display which of our clinicians are available. However, it will not show any of the other patients waiting. While you are waiting, please do not switch applications or allow phone to go to a black screen. So when our clinician is ready, the video can begin.